Hello, this is the lecture number 10 for the chapter Application of Integrals for the class 12th, and we were discussing the miscellaneous exercise, and in the last lecture we have done the question number 10. Now in question number 11 you have to find the area bounded by the curve mod x plus mod y is equal to 1. Now, how can we solve this equation? Now, this mod x plus mod y can be written as x plus y is equal to 1. That is when x and y, when you take both positive, when y negative, when x negative, when both negative. So, these mod x plus mod y represent these four pairs of equations like this. Now, first of all, as usual, sketch the graph for it. Either you can find the pairwise point of intersection, or you simply find the solution set for each of the following. In this, if you take x0, y will be 1, and when we take y0, x will be equal to 1. In the second equation, you can take the solution set as when x0, y is minus 1, when y0, x will be equal to 1. In this also, take the at least two solution set, x0, then y1, when y0, x will be equal to 1. And for the fourth, it is when you take x0, y will be minus 1, when y0, x will be equal to minus 1. Now plot this on the graph paper. You will have x-axis, y-axis, plus 1, minus 1 for the x-axis, plus 1 and minus 1 on the y-axis, negative y-axis. Now first point is x0, y1. x0, y1, this is the point, and x1, y0 will be this point. So this equation representing x plus y equal to 1. Now the second equation, you can mark it x0, y minus 1, this is the point, and x1, y0, this is the point, and this equation represent x minus y equal to 1. Now the third is x0, y1, and x minus 1, y0, this is the point. Now this equation represent x minus y equal to 1. And the fourth one, x0, y minus 1, this is the point, and x minus 1, y0, this is the point, and this equation will represent the equation minus x minus y equal to 1, and you have to find this full area. Now how can you find this area? You find the area in the first quadrant. This 0, 0 is the limit coordinate of the origin, and multiply it by 4. So required area is 0 to 1. From 0 to 1, this is the point 1, 0. Y with respect to x of 1, this is the first equation, and multiply by 4. So very simple question it is. So x is the y is 1 minus x. So here you put the value of x, y as 1 minus x, integrate it, limit it 0 to 1, 0 to 1, and lower limit and upper limit. When you do it, you will get the required area as 2 square units. This is the area bounded by this curve mod x plus mod y equal to 1. So this is the question number 11 of your miscellaneous exercise. See it. Now in question number 12, this question you have already done 2 times in the previous exercises, which is as question number 12. It is mod y is equal to y rather greater than equal to x square, and y is less than equal to mod x. So this is the area bounded by these two curves. You have to find. In place of equal we have inequality sign. So if you see it very carefully, it is a parabola. It is a parabola which is symmetrical to the y-axis, and this y is equal to less than equal to mod x is a straight line. It will be two pairs. Y is equal to plus minus x. Now how you have to find which area you have to find? First of all, you sketch the graph of these two equations, taking them in equality sign. That is y is equal to x square, y is equal to x, and y is equal to minus x. When you solve the first and second, the point of intersections are, solving the first and second, the point of intersection will be 0, 0. You take your own time to solve it. And solving first and third, the point of intersection will be 0, 0 and minus 1, 1. And when we solve the equation number 2 and 3, it will be only 0, 0. They will intersect at the origin only. Now first of all, sketch it, the graph. First of all, sketch the graph of it, then we'll find the area. The graph 0, 0. First is 1, 1 point of intersection. Let us call it 1, 1. This is 1 and this is 1, and this equation you are getting. And similarly 1 minus 1, this point will be there. This is minus 1, 1. Now you have to find which area. You have to find it here because we have the inequality sign. Now how can we find which area you have to find? You can do it by checking the solution whether 1, 0 is the solution of this equation or not. Finding whether 1, 0 is the solution of this equation or not. So put the value of x as 1 and y as 0, which is false. Means this point 1, 0 is not the solution of this parabola. So it means it will be away from this point 1, 0. Similarly, if you check this 1, 0 for this equation also, it will be this is 0 less than equal to 1. It is true. So it means 1, 0 is the solution of this line like this. So it means you have to find this area. And this type of question you have already done. Draw a perpendicular on the x-axis, and this area will be, if you integrate 0 to 1, you have already done this question, 0 to 1, the line and this extra area will be subtracted, which is touching this parabola. So this is the area will be 0 to 1, y with respect to x of the line is this 2, and minus 0 to 1, y with respect to x of parabola. This is the parabola. So y of the second is y is equal to x, so you have to integrate x, and you have to multiply by 2 also, because same area is on the left hand side. So x you have to integrate here, and x square you have to integrate here. Y of this parabola is x square, and y of this on the second is x, and multiply by 2. So like this you can find the area of this, integrating it 0 to 1, x cube upon 3, 0 to 1, and multiply by 2. So this is the area question you have already done, but here this question is given in some different way, so you have to do like this. So this is the question number 12 of this miscellaneous exercise. Now after that you have to find the area of the triangle whose coordinates are given, and this question also you have done already in the previous exercise also. Let us discuss once also. The vertices of the triangle is given and you have to find the area bounded by that curve. That is the question number 13. The vertices are: A coordinate is 2, 0, B coordinate is 4, 5, and third coordinate is 6, 3. You mark them on the graph paper or on a paper, simple paper. 2, 0, the point 2, 0 is this point. 4, 5 will be somewhat here. This is the point 2, 0. This is the point B, which is 4, 5, and the third point is 6, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and somewhere 3 will be here. So this will be the point 6, 3, which is the coordinate C. So you have to find this area bounded by these 3 points. This area you have to find. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this area you have to find. Now, as usual, how can you find this area? If you see it, first of all, you draw perpendicular on the axis. This point will be 4, 0. So how can we find? You first of all integrate AB from the limit 2 to 4. You will get this entire area touching the x-axis. If you integrate BC from 4 to 6, you will get this entire area. And this area which is touching the line AC is extra, which can be subtracted by integrating the y of AC from the limit 2 to 6. So this is the area you can easily find. So this area will be from 2 to 4 y with respect to x of AB. This type of question you have already done. And from 4 to 6 y with respect to x of BC, and minus extra is this touching the line AC from 2 to 6 y with respect to x of AC. So area AB, line touching the area AB and BC, and subtract AC from the limit 2 to 6, and you can find this area. Now y is not given, and we have done this type of question. First of all, you have to find the equation of AB, then equation of BC, equation of AC passing through the 2 points. So you find the equation of AB passing to the point this. It will be y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and x minus x1. So this is the equation you are getting for this AB. Similarly, equation of BC will be, when you do it, it will be y is equal to minus x plus 9, y is equal to minus x plus 9, and equation of AC will be, you find it as usual. The equation of AC will come out to be, this is y is equal to 3 upon 4 x, y is equal to 3 upon 4 x minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. So these are the equations. So you can put it here. So it will be from 2 to 4, y of AB is 5 upon 3 x minus 2, y of BC is minus x plus 9 with respect to x, and y of AC is 3 upon 4x minus 3 upon 2 with respect to x. Integrate this, upper limit minus lower limit, you will get the area as 7 square units. 7 square units. So this is the question. You have done it already in the second exercise, and again it is coming, and as usual You first of all mark the point on the graph paper, shade the area, find the equation of AB, BC and AC by using the equation of line passing through the 2 points. Okay, we'll discuss the remaining question in the next lecture. Thank you.